Here we go. Alan crushing some personal hockeys. We got Showcase and then 10-11 Dominion hanging out. Alright. Good luck, sir. Let's get it. I think best hit from this case is Showcase so far. It's gotta be a redemption for, wasn't that from this? Yeah, Alan, really long. Yeah, I'm not even, like, let's put it this way. I had someone who gave back all but one of their spots just so other people can get in, and I'm still like 10 people deep on a waiting list or something like that. Yeah. All right, here we go. Zachary Foucault. I guess we did hit the PM, or it wasn't the PMG. It was the Metal Universe Red of McDavid from. I think that was this case. Zachary Foucault, Metal Universe for Montreal. Well, you got a hit here. Got a little red glow action. Oh, nice. 1 of 99. Big Ben Bishop. Tallest goaltender to ever play in the NHL. How about it? Ooh, got a nice little blue ice coming too. Ooh. How about a Dylan Larkin blue ice? Numbered to 199. Ooh, shiny. Dylan Larkin. Carbonell. Flair Showcase. Looks like a blue to me. It is Colton Parayko. Nice. Metal Universe. Mike Condon to 699. Fleer Ultra Rookie. So you got 2 hits on this side. What will they be? Sam Bennett. Man, there's some good rookies in this one. Dylan Larkin, Colton Parayko, Sam Bennett. Dougie Gilmore. Flair Showcase. Wow, again, Parayko to 699. Parayko. My base stack fell over. They're falling. Ooh, something different coming here. Something different. Look at that thing. Ryan Johansson, Premium Materials Patch. 3 of only 25. Very nice. Now here's your patch auto. You got 2 fatties in this case, or this box. To 499, Matt O'Connor. Rookie patch auto. And man, it should just be an insert if I had to guess. It is Claude Giroux, Flair Showcase. All right. Guess what's next? Here we go. And I'm trying to think of the first half of this. I mean, we hit some cool looking cards in the first half of this, but no like extreme monsters by any means. Nice tape to tape of Shanny, nice patch auto of Okun. Trying to think of the other. But I mean, no like. Holy crap! No, nothing like that. No, you got it right the first time, Caddy. fuzz. Yeah, a nice low numbered base card. Oh, nice. Linden. Alright, so numbered to 10. That's the Sapphire base. Trevor Linden. Then we've got old Marty. Marty St. Louis. To 199. What's going on? Then we've got good old Corbinian Holzer for Toronto rookie autograph. Should be to 199, but some of these have some really whack numbering. Nope, that one's 199. Next, look at this card. Woo! Cujo, baby. Stick side signature. He's got a chunk of his stick and an autograph on card. Beautiful set. Absolutely love that set. 22 of 50. This is why it's had to open Dominion. Every box is just the content of autos and stuff is craziness. Because look at this. Boom. Look at that card. Bonded in silver, dual auto, Brett Hull, and Ed Eagle Belfour. 98-99 Stanley Cup champions. It looks... What the heck is wrong with his... What the frick? Is this some kind of like terrible Photoshop? Look, Brett Hull. Please explain. His arms are going like this way. But that's the back of his jersey. Like, I've never noticed that before. Am I crazy or does that look all sorts of weird? It literally looks like everything is backwards. Super strange. That's numbered only 25. Yeah, like I mean, yeah, it's weird. Yep, super strange. Oh, nice one. Honored Rivals. Nikki Lidstrom and Marc-Andre Fleury. Man, we don't... That set was kind of hard to hit, if I remember, because we did not pull very many of these at all. Number to 49 on that one. Next, is that Briz? Yep. Ilya Brizgalov. Patch. That is number to 25. Then we've got a good old Ryan Miller. All-decade jersey. To 99. Wow. Man, his auto is terrible. I don't know if we ever pulled this guy's auto, but I'll tell you what. I mean, that's bad. Normand Lavelle? Am I saying his name right? Look at that auto. Like, poor guy. Man. And to finish it off, Kobe. Ilya Kovalchuk. Prime, numbered to 25. Alan, there you have, bro.